People are going crazy for Nitro Cold Brew. The question is, can I make it at home for half the cost? Let's find out. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Why is Nitro Cold Brew all the rage? Well, for a few reasons. One, it's trendy. Hipsters are drinking it in Brooklyn, so you know that it's gonna start to get popular. By adding nitrogen to your coffee, it actually changes the texture on your tongue, which actually makes it more creamy and smooth without having to add calories from things like creamer. So let's make some Nitro Cold Brew at home. First off, you're gonna need a solid cold brew coffee. Now you can make your own, or you can buy it prepackaged like I did. This is a medium roast from Khalifa. It's $5 at my local grocery store. So this will make 4 servings, which is great. So that's about $1 a serving here, $1.25 a serving here. The second thing you're gonna need is a whipped cream dispenser. I got this one off of Amazon for $35. And the final thing you're gonna need is some whipped cream cartridges. These 8-gram whipped cream cartridges I got off of Amazon. For the 30 pack, it was $20, so that's less than $1 a cartridge. So when you do the math, it's $1.25 here and about 80 cents here. So you're looking at $2 per 12-ounce serving of Nitro Cold Brew, which is about half the cost of what you're gonna pay at something like a Starbucks. Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is measure out 12 ounces of your cold brew coffee. I have a measuring cup here, so let's do that. Bada bing, there's 12 ounces. I'm gonna pour this into the whipped cream dispenser. When you're using these whipped cream dispensers, they tell you not to fill it over the 16 ounces, which is 500 milliliters. Don't do that, or things might get a little gnarly. Then you're gonna go ahead and put your top on. Make sure that's good and secure. And then the final thing we're gonna do is add a nitrogen cartridge to the cartridge holster. So you're gonna take it, place it in, and then you're gonna tighten it. And if I could pick this up on audio, you're gonna hear it. And that's the nitrogen entering the whipped cream dispenser. So now this is filled with that 8 grams of nitrogen. You're gonna give it a few shakes. And now we're gonna leave this for 3 minutes minimum or overnight.
2 hours later.
When I pour my Nitro Cold Brew, I like to use a stemless wine glass, actually get some use out of these things. And there's a technique to pouring it. We wanna take the nozzle and we wanna kind of put it up against the side. If you spray it straight down, it's just gonna come up and foam and cover your kitchen. So let's give this a shot. And there you have it, Nitro Cold Brew at home. Now you're gonna see that this is pretty good deal of that foam, that thick foam that you're looking for when you're looking for a Nitro Cold Brew. And what's gonna happen is as this settles, you're gonna see the coffee start to settle down at the bottom, but this is what you're looking for a Nitro Cold Brew. It's gonna taste smooth, it's gonna taste frothy, it's gonna taste nice and velvety on your tongue, and that's exactly what you're looking for in your Nitro Cold Brew. And there you have it, Nitro Cold Brew at home, half the calories, half the cost. Does it get any better than that? Guys, if you learned something from this video or you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you're down there, you might as well hit that subscribe button as well so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content and videos. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness. Have a great day and enjoy. We'll see you next time.